Parliament's authority over state bill. That is, there are 5 exceptional circumstances in which Parliament has the authority to make law on state list. Usually Parliament makes laws on union list, concurrent list and restorative powers. Okay. And there are 5 circumstances in which Parliament has the authority to make laws on state list. One is under Article 249, that is, Parliament is empowered to make laws on state list if Rajya Sabha passes a resolution to that effect by 2/3 majority. We'll give an example. Say police comes under state list. Okay. If the Parliament has need to make a law on police, regarding police or police something, then the Rajya Sabha, why Rajya Sabha? Because Rajya Sabha represents the council of states and Rajya Sabha represents the states. Okay, that's why this special power is given to Rajya Sabha. So if a Parliament has to make a law on police or say public health, because these all comes under the state list, then first of all the Rajya Sabha has to pass a resolution to that effect by 2/3 majority. Okay, then Parliament is empowered to make laws on police or public health. No issue. Means Article 249 says that Parliament is empowered to make laws on state list if Rajya Sabha passes a resolution to that effect by a 2/3 majority. That means first of all the Rajya Sabha has to pass a resolution by 2/3 majority. Then the Parliament can pass a law on subject under state list also. Right. Second condition is that under Article 250, that is, when national emergency is in force. When national emergency is in force, then Parliament can make law on state list. It is says under Article 250. Okay. Third condition is that under Article 252, it says that when 2 or more states want a single law for a matter in state list, the concerned state legislature has to pass a resolution and send to Parliament. Then the Parliament create a single law for those 2 or more states under a single state subject. Say example, again police. Say if Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh need a single act regarding police. Say example, if Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh need a single act on police, police is a state subject. Okay. Then this concerned Tamil Nadu legislature, Karnataka legislature and Andhra Pradesh legislature pass a resolution to that effect and send to Parliament. Now the Parliament can make a law regarding police for these 3 states. And one thing to be noted is that this law will be applicable only for these 3 states and not for the entire country. So based on the request of states, the Parliament can make a law on concerned state subject. And if any other state, say example, the Telangana state want to adopt the same act, then the Telangana state can pass a resolution in its concerned state legislature and adopt this law. Okay, so this is the third circumstances when the Parliament can make law on state list. Fourth condition is Article 253. It says that for implementing an international agreement, or treaty, the Parliament can make law on state list without the consent of state. Okay. Fifth condition is the veto, during presidential rule. So when president's rule is imposed in a state, at that time also the Parliament can make law on state list. It is said under Article 356. So there are 5 extraordinary circumstances under which the Parliament can frame laws on state list. One is under Article 249, the Parliament can create a law on state list provided if the Rajya Sabha passes a resolution to that effect by a 2/3 majority. Example is say police and public health. So regarding police and public health, if Parliament has to pass a law, and first of all the Rajya Sabha. Why Rajya Sabha? Because Rajya Sabha is the Council of States and it represents the states. That's why the special power is given to Rajya Sabha. So Rajya Sabha has to pass a resolution. Then the Parliament can frame laws. Okay. Second condition is under Article 250. That is when the national emergency is in force, the Parliament can frame laws on state list. Third condition is under Article 252 of the Constitution. If two or more states want a common law for a subject under a state list, then that is two or more states has to pass a resolution to that effect and send to Parliament. And Parliament create a law, and this law is applicable only for that concerned states. Fourth situation is under Article 253. To implement international treaties or conventions or agreements, the Parliament can frame a law on state list without the consent of state. Fifth condition is under Article 356. That is when the President's rule is imposed on a state, the Parliament can frame laws on state list. Okay.